You type a prompt, hit enter, and the screen floods with results. In seconds, an AI agent generates 1,000 lines of Python, a fully blocked out quarterly event schedule, or a complete marketing strategy. The output looks incredibly organized. It is properly formatted, the bullet points make sense, and it provides an immediate sense of relief. You copy, you paste, and you feel finished. Then comes the review meeting. A client or your manager points to a specific deliverable on the list and asks a simple question. Why did we choose this approach, and what assumptions is this timeline based on? Your stomach drops. You realize you cannot answer. You didn't write the plan, you didn't check the logic, and you don't actually understand the mechanism behind the answer. You only moved the result from one window to another. Relying on AI purely for speed pulls you into the accountability vacuum. This is a state where complex, high-stakes work is executed by a machine, but there is no human beneath it who can own the consequences if it fails. An AI agent can generate options and move quickly, but it lacks the capacity for business responsibility or leadership judgment. Humans own the requirements, and humans own the final accountability. Treating AI as a magic answer machine creates a false impression of high competence. You look productive on the surface, while your own critical thinking skills are actively eroding from disuse. If you optimize exclusively for output volume, you might deliver 10 times the work, but you understand less about how those deliverables actually function. When you regularly deliver unverified AI output, you shift from a creator who sets direction to a forwarder of information who can be easily replaced by a simpler script. If a machine can generate the work instantly, but you cannot explain the logic behind it, you have essentially delegated your own value to the tool. Thriving in the AI era requires a shift toward using these models as a thinking partner. In this framework, the AI provides an initial output, but your job continues until you deliberately interrogate that output. You must ask questions until you understand the work well enough to lead it. This is where the Dissect-then-Validate protocol becomes essential. This is your defense against AI outputs that sound completely confident while hiding invented facts or weak assumptions. First, you break the AI's answer apart. You isolate every individual claim, fact, and underlying mechanism so you can see the internal structure. You will quickly find that some parts are solid data, while others are hollow, glitching assumptions. Next, you validate. You verify only the specific components that matter to your project's core requirements and discard the weak assumptions. You are left with a structurally reinforced, trustworthy result. True validation is a refusal to be impressed by an answer whose internal mechanics you haven't personally inspected. To dissect these outputs effectively, you can use a modernized version of the classic 5 whys framework. Instead of just asking if the answer is correct, you cross-examine it. You ask the AI what is actually happening in plain language, why this approach was chosen, how the mechanism produces the outcome, and where it might fail. To avoid analysis paralysis on trivial daily tasks, you have to match your depth of inspection to the stakes of the work. For low-stakes tasks, like brainstorming or idea generation, speed is the priority. You can perform a fast skim, run a minimal verification pass, and keep moving. But for high-stakes tasks, decisions that affect company budgets, safety, or client trust, accountability is paramount. These demand the full 5-question deep dive to uncover root causes and verify every claim. Effective AI leadership requires knowing exactly when to move at machine speed and when to pause for human investigation. Imagine returning to that review meeting where the stakeholder asks, "Why?" This time, you've applied the Dissect-then-Validate protocol. You can calmly explain the AI's assumptions, the constraints the timeline depends on, and precisely where the plan might fail if attendance changes. This cycle of interrogating AI output builds reusable judgment. By inspecting the mechanisms, you train yourself to direct increasingly complex human and AI work in the future. In the AI era, the most valuable professionals are those who can explain the logic, verify the details, and stand behind the final work with confidence. Here is your challenge for today. Take one recent piece of AI output you accepted at face value. Ask the AI 5 questions about it, and keep pushing until you can describe the underlying mechanism in your own words. Mastering this thinking partner philosophy is the exact curriculum we teach at Skill Wanderer. Our platform is built for multi-format learning, offering videos, podcasts, slides, and text to match how you learn best. Start building your AI-era judgment today. Visit the URL on screen to explore the course, and check the video description below for a direct link to this specific lesson.